Hi everyone, this is Mr. D. Camillus, and I'm going to show you how to use Scribblemaps. Scribblemaps is an awesome way to complete any map assignment in a digital way using a website instead of maybe using some colored pencils and paper and whatever. I'm going to show you how to use it really quickly, and then I'm also going to show you how to save it and get it to me, a really simple way to do it. So you're going to go to Scribblemaps. It's going to look like this, and all you want to do is create a map. Start with that. And we'll wait just a second as it is showing up here. Now they have some other features that you do not need to worry about ever. We don't need to have a pro account. You can just exit out of this. It's totally free. Should be good to go. Now you're going to have this world map. Notice that you can change it over here. I'm not going to click on this, but you can change it from a physical map to just a blank kind of political map that doesn't have all the mountains and landscape and stuff. If you choose, you can change that over here. Well, let me just show you the tools real quick. These should all look fairly familiar from other kinds of programs and things you've worked with in the past. So let me show you this. I want to zoom in on the continent of Africa here. You can just grab it. We're going to zoom in a little bit. Let me zoom in again, actually. Let's find a country like right here, Congo in the middle. So I want to grab a tool. Again, these are probably familiar. It's a pencil tool, a pen tool, and here's my color. It's over here. I can change the color if I want. And I'm just going to go ahead and highlight, draw all the way around this country as an example. Get going, just using my mouse here, nothing too difficult, and I've made sure to kind of complete it so it's one shape. And I have now highlighted or bordered a country here. Now I'm going to fill it. I'm going to use this fill tool, the bucket. You've probably seen this before in other kinds of tools. I'm going to change the color. Let's go with, oh, I don't know, this cool bluish kind of color. Let's do that. And I'm going to touch the middle, and look at that. I have filled in an area. Other things we can do, we can have a labeling tool, place some text here and there. I could label this as a country or whatever. Would be good to go. It's a little awkward the way I did that. You'll do much better than me. So here's the very, very, very important part, is how to save this, how to get it to me. What I'd like you to do is this, and follow closely. You go to the menu, and you're going to save it. Just go save image. Easiest way to do it right over here. It says export, but really just save image. And then you get this funny message that says, you must save before saving. Save now? It's a lot of saving. I'm going to go ahead and just say yes. Save image. Yes, you're going to give it a title. That's up to you. I'm just going to call it title. Description could be whatever the assignment is. You can put your name in there. It doesn't really matter, because what I want you to do is click save, and you're going to want to grab this link, the share link, the share link. This is what I want. Take the share link and copy it, and all you really need to do is put that link into a document. I'd actually like you to take that link, put it in a document like this, then you can upload it to D2L as you normally would in any of those, in the appropriate assignment inbox. So that way you actually have a document to upload like you normally would if you were going to use, paper, pencil, etc. So this way you can still upload an actual document into a Dropbox just like anything else. But just give me the link. So again, let me pull this out of the way. It's this share link. All you have to do is say, save this image, give it a title and description, and then you're going to grab this share link. And I'll show you what's really cool when I get that share link. It looks really, really cool. I'll put it up here. It's going to show up in a moment. And it's just a gorgeous map here, and it gives me a chance to kind of go around and look at the overlays, the scribbles that you've put on there. Really, really cool. So with that, enjoy using Scribblemaps. Let me know if you have any questions. Of course, I will do my best to answer them. Thank you so much, and enjoy Scribblemapping. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.